Hi YouTube, Batman fan 50,001 again, and here's my Watchmen toy review of Dr. Manhattan. Alright, so where I live, Dr. Manhattan is really rare, and I saw him the other day, and I told my dad I had to get him. I actually hit him, so hee hee. Anyway, yeah, look at that mug. What a handsome guy, right? Alright, let's get on with the review. Alright. He's got a 360 head spin, as they all do. He has... his hands are really weird. Well, I kind of get it. My brother doesn't. Dr. Manhattan really just has...
I do get it.
Has the, open hands thing. He really, oh, there he goes, fist plant. He doesn't need to, like, punch or anything, so, let's get a better closer look here. Also, what I do like about Dr. Manhattan, as you can see, is, well, maybe you can, my camera is pretty crappy, but he has the symbol on his forehead. He is wearing his G-string. No, it's more like a uniform, but whatever. Like he was at the Crime Busters meeting in the movie and in the book. Alright, the cool thing about Doc Manhattan, you take off his legs, put another pair on. This is where he's like a, this is like a, it's like a floating pair of legs there. And he comes with a stand where you can just set him up. Yeah, he looks pretty freaking awesome. Out of all of them, well, out of the ones, oh, okay, that was not stable. Let's never do that again. Out of all the ones I do have, I like Dr. Manhattan, I think the best. Like, I don't know. I like Night Owl. Ozymandias Comedian was my favorite. And then came Dr. Manhattan. That's what I knew. That's why I knew he was my favorite. There's not really much I don't like about him at all. Shows a lot of detail. Yeah. Oh, when he's like that, he's fine, but when he's like this, his legs really don't stay attached that well, and they don't clip like those ones do. But other than that, I like the figure the most out of all of them. I'm Batman fan 50,001. Thank you for watching my toy review. I'd like to say, if you would want to like watch any of my other reviews or any of my videos, go right ahead. Subscribe, comment, anything. Alright, talk to y'all later.